deadly mistake most of you do. Number one, debt. If you look at the most people who are suffering with money, debt is at the top of their list. Listen, I don't mean that debt is bad, but it depends on person to person whether you are taking good debt or bad debt. Well, many people take unnecessary debt, for example, home loans, loans for weddings, and on and on. I know these topics can be debatable, but tell me one thing, if you know that your salary is so low, it is necessary to put yourself so down for a wedding or home which you can't repay it later. Think first, then continue further. Anyways, listen, what I'm saying is that no matter how much you take debt, but if you can repay that home loan, education loan, or wedding loan, or whatever happily, then you should take. Otherwise, you are gonna suffer in the future. Number two, some people's are bills. Having friendship is good, but some people's are bills for you. I think you got my point. So it's better to avoid those kinds of friends who always uses you to pay their bills. Having friends or people around you pushes you towards your goals, forces you to work hard or achieve your goals, not those people who are always ready to pull you back. So stay away from those kind of people. Number three, quick rich scheme. Listen, if being rich would be so simple, then everyone would be rich today. But that is not the whole picture, my dear friend. Instead of wasting or gambling your money on that quick risk scheme, put that money to create asset. Invest in yourself to upgrade your skills. Invest money in the right place such as stocks or bonds or your education, etc. Number four, credit card overuse. It is necessary to have a credit card if your neighbor or friend has one. No, na. Then what's the point of having that? Do you know that the interest on credit card goes around 45%? Yeah, go and search on Google. Use it wisely or throw it away, man. Number five, expensive accessories. You can't live your life without expensive phones, right? You will say no. Yes, it is like that. Stop that. Try to understand if your salary is 25,000 rupees. What's the use of having an Android of 50,000 rupees? Have you lost your mind? Or you don't understand simple calculation? You will say we buy on EMI. Then you are making a blunder, man. You pay interest on top of that. Do you know that how EMI traps work? Number six, show off. One line explanation for this point. I don't think your happiness is too cheap which needs others people attention. Listen 10 times. Number seven, going out frequently. I know enjoying is right of every person. But if you see that you don't have a single extra, forget about extra, you don't have a single penny for your livelihood. So I don't think it is wise decision to go out frequently just to upload on social media or you will look cool but you become full. Number 8, not investing. Invest money, man. The earlier you start, the better is for you. I am telling you the secret of rich. Rich invest money in themselves to level up their skills and mindset. Go and invest in yourself. Hardly anyone will do after knowing this. Number 9, no savings. If you do all the above things, you can't expect to have growth. You need to save more bucks, friends. Stop all this mistake if you seriously want to see money in your account. Number 10, living paycheck to paycheck. Start doing a side hustle. If you want to fulfill your goals, then you need to raise your skills so that you can earn more or do some side hustle so that you can save some money or invest it.